Here at NSF, we're proud of being different. To start with, NSF is a not-for-profit organisation which has, over the last 70 years, been driven by one goal: to improve the health and safety of the world's population. NSF Pharma Biotech specialises in providing education, consultancy, remediation and regulatory support for companies involved in the R&D and manufacture of pharmaceuticals, including biotech, medical devices and food supplements. We also have state-of-the-art labs for contract analysis and testing in the US, Europe and China. And with NSF offices and a network of contacts across all 5 continents, we're able to respond to your needs faster than most. So, what else makes us different? Let's start with our education programs. You know, we don't actually believe traditional training methods add any value at all. That's why our approach is different. On some of our courses, you won't even see a PowerPoint in sight. All of our courses are designed to change the way people think and therefore act in the workplace. Take, for example, our Qualified Person or QP training program in Europe. Over the last 20 years, 98% of delegates passed the rigorous independent assessment. So, our methods work. What we teach sticks. So please, just go to our website to see the wide range of courses available. Oh, and if you can't come to us, don't worry. We can come to you and deliver customised in-house courses at your facility just for you. And if English isn't your first language, that's fine. We deliver courses in many other languages as well. Clients tell us our consultancy, auditing and remediation services are also very different. We provide advice and support to help clients prepare for the future, not the past. We actually think that old ways of working and traditional ways of thinking are no longer good enough. We believe that your success will be determined by what you stop doing. We believe that to succeed, you've just got to do the basics, but exceptionally well. We also believe that you have to keep things simple and, crucially, keep your patients at the heart of everything you do. Whether we're helping clients prepare for their next regulatory inspection, or providing advice on best industry practices, or troubleshooting manufacturing or quality system problems, or helping clients with a remediation program following a tough regulatory audit, clients keep telling us the same thing: we're different, which is why over 80% of clients come back to us year after year after year. They trust us. They know that we're always going to act in their best interest. They know they're always going to get value for money. But the most important difference we have is in our people. I have to say I'm really privileged to work alongside some of the very best consultants and educators in our industry. People who can offer pragmatic, common sense, science-based solutions that work. And you know what? They also care a lot. Why? Because they're really passionate about what they do. They are passionate about helping the healthcare industry make a difference. They genuinely want you to succeed. They say quality lasts. Well, NSF has been around for over 70 years for a number of reasons. We're very good at what we do. We treat clients as partners. We add value and we care. We will always provide you with the right people, and we have the best, with the right solution the first time.